15 here in Lincoln, Beatrice, 12 in York, and 11 in Aurora. Now let's talk about these dew points, the dry air. So all of that dry air is going to be up north where most of the snow is not really happening. But we do have a little bit of moisture, which is creating that snowfall with dew points at 12, 13, 8 degrees, 11, and 14 in Falls City. So that's where most of the heaviest of snowfall is going to happen going into tomorrow morning. But these wind speeds right now are 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the northeast, gusting up to 30 miles per hour. But now as we go into tomorrow morning, that's why they're going to have that blizzard warning down Beatrice, Fairbury, Hebron. Could see wind gusts around 6 a.m. up to 40 miles per hour. With that dense snow, it's going to make for some blizzard conditions. As we go into the next few hours, about 2 a.m. or so, 2:30, we do see a little dry pocket due to that dry air. But then that snow from Kansas, that system, is going to slowly push up as we get into the early morning hours, 6:30. That's when we start to see the thick of it in Kansas, just north Concordia. And that's when it starts to enter our area in southeast Nebraska. Going into about 8:30, the thick snow will begin in Beatrice. Continue to stay over Lincoln, but not as heavy. And then by your lunchtime hours, that will just stay in southeast Nebraska. And then your lunchtime looks to be pretty snowy, but most of Nebraska is not going to be seeing much snowfall. It's just going to be here in the southeast part of Nebraska. And that's going to be 2:30. That's going to continue. And then that's going to just go into the evening hours and be out of our area by around 11 p.m. Sunday night. Expected snowfall totals, well, 8+ inches in parts of Beatrice where that blizzard warning is, 6 to 8 just south of Lincoln, and then 4 to 6 for, well, most of Nebraska. But where that dry air is, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, depending on how this dry air plays out, could affect those snow totals. Tonight, 10 degrees. Yeah, 10 degrees, man. Snow showers, windy, northeast wind, 10 to 25 miles per hour, gusting up to 35. Single digits and lower teens, but wind chills tomorrow morning. We're going to be a few degrees below zero, 5 to 10 degrees below zero tomorrow morning for your wind chill. And then tomorrow, we're only getting to 15 degrees. We are going to have those snow showers all throughout the afternoon and evening, and then we're all going to be in the low to mid-teens. But it's going to be feeling like a few degrees below zero due to those winds being out of the northeast, 15 to 20 miles per hour. So it's going to be a cold day, snowy day. And we could see some snow totals up to 8 inches in some spots. But starting Monday, we start to dry out and temperatures will slowly start to rise back into those 20s going into Wednesday and Thursday. And then Friday, we do have a small chance for some flurries, but that's too far to call.